What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-116518-2 internal error. It's kinda your operating system error. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. So here we go. Check the application which you are playing and you're getting the error, some kind of internal error. If needs to update, you must update and then go to settings, and here we are at the system. You check the system software is up to date or not. Sometimes using the older version, it's not supported by application, and you will get the error, kind of internal error, or sometimes you don't have enough storage. That's why your operating system is not working properly. So your operating system need a space for work. You just do it, and in the last you just turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the safe mode. There is a rebuild database, clear cache, reinstall system software. You must rebuild the database. It may take less than 1 minute or 2 minutes. After that, your corrupted file will be deleted. Your operating system kind of reset. If needs to update, it will be update. After that, when you get back to your home screen, you need to update. You just update. So simply, that's how you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.